Black beans nutrition profile. Health benefits. Black beans are a variety of legumes that are popularized for their high nutritional value. The benefits of black beans can be attributed to their rich nutritional profile. These beans are inexpensive and can be a great addition to your soups, smoothies, salads, rice, stew, and even pizzas, burgers, and cakes. These are also available in canned and dried varieties. Continue reading to understand more about black beans nutrition, health benefits. While canned beans are quick and easy to include in your diet, these are usually high in sodium and low in other nutrients as compared to dry beans. If opting for canned beans, it is thus advisable to choose a no-salt or low-sodium alternative and make sure to rinse and drain the canned beans before use. Dried beans, on the other hand, take longer to prepare and cook, but are usually more cost-effective and easy to buy in bulk. Top health benefits of black beans. Rich source of dietary plant proteins. Help regulate blood sugar levels. Good for your heart. Rich in antioxidants. Good for your digestive health.